Kublai Bora apa ini video jalan kambiang HDSC District Selection Committee jongka is Kasil District Shillong tega kod application kambiang nam tagani post ke ini room tingini page menta tega post ke balingkong kadai ka Assistant Enforcement Inspector under the Office of the Deputy Commissioner East Kasil District the number post tentang R UR0 Kasijentia Guru R tapi level kadai level 5 as per revised pay structure. The qualification PDM pendap yaka cast of pass or any examination declared equivalent thereto from any university board recognized by the government of Meghalaya having completed the DTP course computer. The note the post is not reserved for the PWDS candidate as per government notification. The namta kini PWS the computer ka reserve seat namta ni ka post. The post baar kadai ka enforcement checker under the office of the deputy commissioner East Kasil district. The number of posts kadai southly you are kawai kasi jintia guru lai ka P level kadai level 4. The educational coefficient pendap yaka class 10 pass. The note the post not reserved for WDS Canadian as per government notification number PR AR 150 88 PT 282 date Shillong the 25th January 2012. The kamdan result si friend namtani ka WS namtani ka post jongka enforcement checker. The post ke balai kadai ka mandal under the office of the deputy commissioner East Kasil district. Number post in lightly UR0 kajintia guru lightly. P level kadai level 3. The educational coefficient PDM pendap yaka class 10 pass. The niru kumju note this post not reserved for PWS Canadian as per government notification. The post basau kadai ka record keeper under the office of the deputy commissioner East Kasil district. Number post tentang kawai kadai UR kawai. P level kadai level 3. The qualification pendap yaka class 10 pass. The niru kumju nam tak PWS. Then post kepesan kadai ka copies under the office of the deputy commissioner East Kasil district. Number post in southerly UR kawai kasintia guru lai. P level ke level 2. Qualification pendap yaka class 10 pass. The note PWS candidate who are willing to apply for the post of copies must refer to the government notification number PRAR 158 PT 8282 date Shillong 25 January 12. The namta ka ni post the yaki PWS kadon ka reserve seat namta ni post jongka copies. The sa refer bahan ni ka notification belahnya. The post kaban rio kadai ka manual assistant number 1 2 posts under the office of the inspector of legal metrology. The 1 post under the office of the assistant controller of the legal metrology. Kita akan number post nanti. The post kan day jongka office of the inspector of legal metrology. The quick post kan day jong. The educational qualification PDM pendap yaka class 10 pass. The note the post reserved for PWS candidate kan niru kumju kam reserve seat nam tani ka kini nam taki PWS. The kelas date jongka ni kan day haka strict me aja open rio. For candidate making payment through e-challan, the last date for making payment in the bank will be on the 6 May 2026. For the candidate itu kita tap ini kam kita use payment daka e-challan. The last date ban siya kapisa kan day haka 2 May aja open rio. Tetang katahi kublai shibun